Stop the drop, the ultimate car seat gap filler, as seen on Shark Tank. Transform your driving experience with Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler that has captivated audiences on Shark Tank. Designed to provide 100% gap coverage, Drop Stop effortlessly blocks the pesky space between your car or truck seat and center console, preventing keys, phones, and other valuables from disappearing into the void. Each package includes two drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, ensuring your vehicle remains organized and clutter-free. Unlike other gap fillers, Drop Stop boasts a unique design that attaches securely to the seat belt catch. This innovative feature allows it to move with your seat, eliminating the need for constant readjustment or reinstallation. Crafted from high-grade neoprene, Drop Stop expands and contracts to fit any gap, making it a universal solution for most vehicles. With its sleek black color, it blends seamlessly into your car's interior while providing unmatched functionality. Safety is paramount, and Drop Stop is here to help. Distracted driving is a leading cause of accidents, with 80% of incidents occurring when drivers take their eyes off the road for just 3 seconds. By blocking the gap, Drop Stop minimizes distractions, allowing you to keep your focus where it belongs, on the road. Say goodbye to fumbling for lost items and hello to a safer driving experience. What makes Drop Stop worth every penny is its durability and ease of use. This gap filler is designed to last a lifetime, resisting wear and tear while remaining easy to clean. Simply rinse it off and reuse it again and again, ensuring it stays looking fresh and functional. Plus, with the added bonus of a slide-free pad and a LED credit card light, you'll have everything you need to enhance your driving experience and keep your essentials in place. Customers rave about Drop Stop's stability and effectiveness, often noting how it simplifies their lives by preventing items from falling into hard-to-reach areas. Its ease of installation and removal is a game-changer, making it perfect for those who frequently switch vehicles. Upgrade your ride today with Drop Stop, the ultimate solution for keeping your car organized and ensuring a safe, distraction-free driving experience.